Since you're watching this, you probably want your organization to be part of a sustainable future. Awesome! We'd love to help you succeed and create a better tomorrow together. We at GoClimate help you excel in your sustainability work, whether you're a large business or a small team. It can be tricky knowing where to start and time-consuming figuring out what route is right for you. We support you wherever you might be on your sustainability journey, guiding you forward as your full-service sustainability partner. The way ahead can be summed up in 3 steps. First, understand your impact. This is done by measuring how you impact people and the environment, as well as defining your governance model. Then it's time to take action. We help you set clear goals, put company policies in place, reduce your climate emissions, and create positive social impact. Lastly, lean back and receive the benefits from choosing a solid and prosperous sustainability path through happier employees, an overall stronger brand, and not least, a healthier planet. This is all done through our automated sustainability solutions with a human touch. And this is how it works. To understand your impact, we need access to information about your company operations. If we have an integration in your business or accounting software, this is as easy as a push of a button for you, giving our systems access to analyze your impact automatically. If you're using a system we don't yet have integrations with, we can help you fill in the data either through a simple form or with the help from our sustainability advisors. When we have a clear view of your impact, we can start taking action. You obviously know your business best, but our tool helps by suggesting ways forward, including concrete actions and goal setting. At this stage, our friendly sustainability advisors are also available if you have any questions or simply want someone to talk to you about the next step. We also help with implementing policies, supporting climate projects, and communication around your sustainability efforts. We can also help out with one-time offsets, ad hoc support from our advisors, inspirational lectures, workshops, and technical integrations. Contact us at hello@goclimate.com to learn more. Join thousands of passionate companies excelling at sustainability now.